My name is Ruth and I'm playing Valentine. She's the youngest of the trio and she never been in love, and then she meets this penguin, Puck, and I don't think she quite believes it could be possible, but eventually they decide to go for it and it's her first love, really.
And I'm Jo and I'm playing Veronica. Veronica is very much the sort of sassy, sexy character in the show.
I'm Anna and I'm playing Vera. Vera is the eldest of the three Macaw sisters, and she's the mother hen of the group. She looks out for the girls and she choreographs the shows.
We're parrots.
Yeah. Fabulously bright coloured parrots.
Yeah, Macaw parrots.
With the singing Macaw sisters.
Yeah.
In a vaudeville show. We talked about physicality, or we've tried to bring a lot of physicality into it. We've been looking at videos of macaws and parrots.
And how they use their head, and how they shake their feathers and things like that. I like Tin Panorama, the opening.
Do you know,
it's madness with tin cans and
loads of harmonies. It's really fun.
Tap shoes.
Bit of tap. Yeah, it's a great bit.
I hear a tin panorama when you bounce into the room, and I jump from my pajama, and my heart goes tick boom boom from Tokyo to Yokohama. Kathmandu to Khartoum, they're squawking, Lord, make my reward. That twiggity birdie in the rickety tree, his tickety talk is taking hold of me.
that was so it.
Is it all right?
Yeah.